guys, welcome back to my channel and another video. So today I did a quick review, very quick review, as I have some stuff to submit, and I received these packages for probably a week now. I need to open up and let's see what's in them. All right, can we start lose track? So this is the next mystery unboxing. I don't know what's in it. All right, so there's just two box. Well, not have a lot of them in a bag, but let's open them two box here. All right, boy, oh boy, what me tired of Amazon with when them packaging one little something, a big old box. So I'm planning to send me this. So this is a mom's heartbeat baby sleep machine. So apparently it helps the newborn sleep. So let me say. So because when in the womb, they know, they hear the mother's heartbeat, so it will help them soothe them. I don't know, make them sleep. Anyways, I don't know how this work. So a detailed TikTok video will come out with this. So yeah, let's see what this now. Cause the box them feels so blasted light coming at them. Not a thing in them. Alright, what's this? Oh. So this is Vochel Elevated Effortless Wine Chilling. You put a wine glass in here, so, and it keep your wine at nice temperature. Sip and cool and chill. So I'm shaking at it. As I said before, you know the drill. TikTok. TikTok, alright? TikTok. Contains glassware. So I should be very careful. I should be very careful. How this open me I know? How this open? How this open? I want the video long, cause I have enough things open. Just open it here, so. This one I eat. I'm thinking one wine glass. They did give me a wine glass. Oh my god, I got a wine glass. So I'm get a wine glass actually demonstrate how it works. Let me see, take my time. Take my little time. Oh, it's cute. Get one wine glass to demonstrate with that. So you'll see the video on TikTok. Put this down here, so, cause a glass. I'm like little wine glass them send me. We get some more stuff or this paper. So just a review. Let me read this. I'm done. So as I said before, you get a video on TikTok. Alright? Yeah. But it's nice though. At least make one nice little wine glass. Go with it. Then think it through. So this black radiance. If I know, if me sure what is in this, I want a little piece of stick, foundation stick. Why I'm upset. Me iggy for uno. Me iggy for uno on the packaging. Me not lie. The packaging just see, tell you. Foundation stick. Big leather box. Let me see. I have this to submit to, Have that. Alright now. Watch ya. One little foundation stick. I hope it's my color. Cashmere. Is a bronzer? But it's a foundation stick. Anyways, cashmere. And paper with my name on it. and them say me can get $10 for something. So that's that. Let's see when I this now. And can you believe more things are sent to me? I'm a kind of pause of applying for stuff. Oh, so this is a beach pillow. An ice pack is included. So you depend on the sun in a first, down upon the little hard sun and you want something to cushion the head. Say cushion the head with a beach pillow, right? So you can put the cooler, the ice pack if you want a nice little cool day to cool you off. Such this like a good one. I'm not doing a video. So I if you want to charge. So I'm gonna say video TikTok. I forgot block that or something. I try to make the video be at least 20 minutes the most. Not me I try to, so pardon me. But you know, if you have to find the detail, get them. Follow me on all socials at Peters_discovery. Yeah, I think it's best to do that. Because I can't go in depth with the products now because I have to unbox them and talk about them. So I'm going to show you what I get and then I go over TikTok and do the full video. Alright, so this is Naturopathica Cleansing Facial Polish. They've been asking me if I get this, but yesterday I forgot to send me it. So it finally come now. So I guess it's a exfoliant. It's night or day. So I need to message them that it's here. And I need to get on top of their content. Right? Okay, about a month late. Let me see what else is in my bag. Let's put in so. No, look one day. Not gonna look one here. What is in this? To be honest, I start lose track of what I get. I don't know. Before I could say, alright, man, get this. I don't know I get anymore. I feel since I send me stuff now, come a good while me start applying for stuff. Okay, alright. This is Carb Antiperspirant. Anyways, this is Carb deodorant. Apply before bed for maximum result. Have a little scent. So it's supposed to be, I think it's supposed to be healthy. I don't know. But give me a second. I still have a little minute, so I don't know. Yeah, I need to read this over. Because I thought it wouldn't have the aluminum in it. But it still do. TikTok. Alright. What's this? What is this now? Oh, what is that? Oh, a sweater. My God, I didn't compress this stuff. A sweater, listen. Let me stretch this over. My God. Oh, it feels so soft and nice. It feels so soft and nice, man. So soft. Okay. And this is called instant warmth. So in the winter, you can dash on this. instant warmth. Because trust me, it feels nice though. Feel really good. No, me not even see the material, but I'm like the feeling. So I'm gonna say me try it on over tickety talk. Let me try this again. Let me see what's in this. Oh yeah, a package in a package. A package in a package. What's this? Oh, is this a gift? I think this is a gift, you know, it was on my wish list. You can check out my wish list to please. My birthday wish list. The link will be in the description box below. So I get this to put the keys name on. So I'm gonna install this very soon. I think that's a gift because that was let me see. Let's see what this for. Yes, it is a gift. It is. Thank you. Should I open this first? Yeah, because this look very empty. Very empty. You can tear anyway because I don't have it there. What is now? Okay, so this is also a gift. I want to build up the background to actually be my background studio. So I put the speaker in there and so forth. So a double-sided tape. I put the things on it. So these gifts came late, but still grateful. And then this now, what is rotted? Oh, this is also a gift. Oh, it reached, man. It reached. This is from my dear friend Akeem. Thank you so much, Akeem. This is also on my wish list because you know something like this could smooth the business and something there, and I needed one. So thank you so much for my birthday present. So people, good timing. It's got 15 minutes. So I forgot to do some video after this. I have to. I'm tired, but I have to. So yeah, that's basically what I want to tell you guys now. What do I want to tell you guys? Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please, I'm begging share. Many future thousand followers, subscribers right now, and need to watch ours them up. So if you can just let it on mute and play the playlist, I would appreciate that. When you're going to bed or when you're coming from work, you're driving and use a phone, just leave it at play. Please share it to a friend, a relative. I'm trying. I really want to reach 1,000 subscribers before December ends, and start, making this make sense. Because I'm getting these things to show you guys. Because my products are not come out yet, and yeah, it is kind of costing, yeah. So, I would appreciate that. Anything else you want me to review, put in the comment section. All links for everything right here will be in the description box below. Remember to follow me on all socials at petals_discovery. And I'll see you in another video soon. Thank you. Bye.